Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your Huawei model and EMUI build so you know which settings should appear. Next, make sure you already have a secure screen lock. Fingerprint options are gated behind PIN, pattern, or password. Once done, reboot the phone to clear temporary glitches and plug it in if battery is low. Low power can hide some options. Now open Settings and search for Fingerprint or Biometrics to move into the enrollment workflow immediately. You'll enter Security and Privacy, then Fingerprint ID to begin enrollment. This menu controls biometric services. Follow on-screen prompts and place your finger repeatedly so the sensor captures edges and center. Register 2 different fingers for reliability. If Fingerprint ID is absent, make sure Smart Unlock and Device Admin permissions aren't blocking biometrics. Toggle related switches and grant permissions. Also check apps, show system processes for disabled Huawei biometric components, and re-enable them so the fingerprint option appears. You'll finish by installing any pending system or security updates, because missing features often return after an update. If the option still won't appear, clear the Settings app cache and reboot. This resolves many UI inconsistencies. Only consider a factory reset after backing up your data. This resets system components and can restore fingerprint settings. If the sensor remains unresponsive or the setting is still gone, that likely indicates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.